Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Teams background on your Teams app. So all you have to do, so just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here to next window. And all you have to do now, so just go down here and you click here on apps, then it's going to take you here to apps window. Then you just go down here to looking for Teams app. So just go down here to find Teams app here and down, and you click here on Teams, then it's going to take you to next window here, and all you have to do now, so just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, so just click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data if you want to clear your data here. And you just so go to your Play Store, so you will go here your Play Store and you search for Teams app. It's going to show for you like this, and you click here on you will find here update, you will click on update and it's going to fix with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.